Young adults and high school students often struggle with saving and budgeting their money properly. They often spend impulsively without thinking about the long-term drawbacks that this will have on them. That's why we created Benji. Benji takes your monthly income and expenses into account, and then using this to advise you on future purchases that you might want to make. And now I'll show you how it works.
When you load the app, you will be in a login screen where you can create an account or log into an existing one. Afterwards, you will be prompted to fill your economic information in a form with your monthly income and expenses with transportation, housing, phone, and miscellaneous values, which will be used to help you budget. After completion, you'll be brought to the home page where you'll see a graph of your budget for the month. It starts with your initial budget and acts as a visual representation of how much money you have left to spend. Let's say you get $100 in tips that's not in your planned income. You can input that money and date and it will update the graph in your budget automatically. By pressing the Analyze button, you'll be sent to the Compare Graphs page, where it will show a graph comparison of your monthly spendings compared to Benji's recommended budget. Additionally, it shows how much of your spendings is on each category. You can press the View Suggested Changes button, where we will run our analysis algorithm and give our recommendations, showing you where you may be spending too much. Additionally, Benji has a wishlist feature, where you can add long-term goals, and Benji will recommend when you should purchase it, according to your income and budget. Lastly, let's say you get a raise or don't pay this month's internet bill. You can go to the account page and change your information from the form that you had inputted when you first started the app. Benji will recreate a budget for you and update all your information automatically.
Benji was created in Android Studio, which uses two main programming languages. Java is an object-oriented based programming language that describes the back end of the app and how it will work. XML defines a set of characteristics to describe what the app will ultimately look like. We also used Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to create different design aspects of the app, such as the logo, buttons, and the background.
I'm Marty Kimball and I was the front-end lead. I worked on designing all aspects of the app, made the graphs dynamic, as well as putting it all together.
I'm Vincent Macri and I was the back-end lead. I worked on the homepage and the wish list.
I'm Reid Bruneau. I was the project manager and I designed the login page, the forums, and the suggested page.
I'm LaTorre. I was the videographer. I shot and edited the video.
Benji helps teen and young adults plan for the future by making sure they stick to a budget and don't overspend. Thank you for your time and allowing us to showcase our app.